Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Google Play purchase history and if it's possible or not. So bottom line, Google does not directly allow users to permanently delete their transaction receipts from the Google Play Store due to maybe financial or tax audit requirements. But however, you can easily clear your downloaded app history or hide or manage your payment records by following these workarounds. Head over to your Play Store. Then tap onto an issue on your top right, tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Here, tap on Manage. Then here you will see all the applications that you have or might not have installed. So simply tap on to the application you would like to hide the maybe purchase or installed history of. Then tap on Delete. It says 2 app will be uninstalled from your device. System apps remain on the device, but any updates will be uninstalled. Go ahead and confirm your action. And this is how it can be done, and it's the only way. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.